Thank you. Well, you actually bring on another trend of the polymers replacing metals in a variety of areas. It's not just medical today. And as we kind of pass the mic off here in a second, the question, Ryan's got a unique position here in that rather than it being a startup that was specialized, kind of like Shree's doing, we're bringing these technology and materials to a head in specific applications. He's part of a roll-up that's done by a private equity group that's taking existing companies, some of them more specialized, but putting them together. And so I think, Ryan, your perspective kind of coming in, how are the platform companies handling these new technologies? How are they integrating it? How's that changing your business model, whether it's a new material coming in or whether it's new manufacturing processes?
Yeah, great question. So one of the things, as Danny mentioned, so we've got three different platforms that we're all bringing together, and we've formed the largest privately held digital manufacturer, certainly in North America and maybe in the world. And so one of the things that's really changing is the types of conversations that we're having with our customers. As a recent example, I had a conversation with a early stage new material company around some hyperelastic bone-like material where they're going to look to print that, and they're looking for us, to potentially be a printing partner for them. And so that's changing the types of conversations that we're really having with our customers, thinking about different materials and different processes. One of the things, our company started off 35 years ago as a very traditional manufacturing company, injection molding, CNC, and was one of the early stage adopters of additive manufacturing in the early 90s with SLS nylon powder additive printing. And we've grown that to where we have over 90 additive machines across 6 different manufacturing processes, running over 100 different materials. But we're constantly looking at what's changing, what's out there, what different materials. And so it's understanding our customers, where the market's going, understanding the trends that we're seeing, and understanding what are the outcomes that our customers are looking to achieve. And especially in medical, as Rose pointed out, some of the key mega trends that are changing the way that the markets are going. And we're focused on staying ahead of that. And so one of the things that we saw is additive manufacturing certainly is changing the way people think about, products. You can innovate a lot faster, you can get to market, you can prototype, and you can develop, and you can take away some of the traditional manufacturing limitations. But there still is certain applications where injection molding may make more sense. And so we acquired a company that had a 30-second injection molding quoting tool to really get that digital front end so customers can understand, what makes more sense. And so our goal is to provide multiple different opportunities or multiple different outcomes, and then really understand what's most important to the customer, whether it's the material, whether it's the manufacturing process, and be able to have a large enough portfolio to be able to really provide a differentiated solution for our customers so that they can get their products to market faster and to differentiate out there. As you're seeing, there's major trends that are going with the aging population, and so there's an opportunity to really differentiate your product, and that's what we try to help companies do.